Let's talk about drug court and their participation falls. Let's see.
I don't want to go to court.
You don't have to. I'm not forcing you. As drug court participation falls in Oklahoma, counties struggle to provide alternatives. Good alternatives to drug court? What about like rehab? I'm sorry, is that not the only other solution?
I mean, bro, this is again, do I need to say this is why it's important to fund substance abuse programs and mental health facilities and access to these things, because drug court and mental health court, as someone who, with my nonprofit, I used to do individualized client-based services for people, which means I would help the most vulnerable citizens in our community, taxpayers, because I'm inclusive. I would do whatever it was they needed to, get on their feet, whether it was helping them, sign up for housing or get to a shelter, or, sign up for food stamps, or to just take them to diversion hubs so they can have access to all of the services offered there, right?
Yeah, this is Tulsa's version of diversion. So Tulsa County's new misdemeanor diversion program. Unlike traditional drug court, the free 6-month program doesn't focus on sobriety and has no drug testing. More than 200 people are now enrolled, as long as participants are engaging with services for counseling, food, housing, and employment. They don't have to come to court as often, which can remove transportation barriers. Possession of methamphetamines is the most common charge. People with prior convictions can also participate.
Bro.
Wow, a diversion program that's actually helping people. What the fuck does a diversion
program that's actually diverting?
Like,
holy shit.
It's actually possible in Oklahoma? Who would have thought?
The point that I was trying to get to is the fact that these programs are so inequitable and so unsustainable for people who don't have access to resources as it is. And another problem is that district attorneys do not even send people to these programs because it's easier to just send you to jail. It's easier for David Prater to put you in the fucking Oklahoma County jail where the conditions are terrible and use that as a way to coerce your plea deal or confession and then convict you. It's a lot easier that way. So it's, you know what I mean? Like, just good job, Tulsa. Tulsa County is doing some shit. And that's why we need to make sure that we're paying attention to those elections coming up in June 28th. Eh?
Give me you're tired, you're hungry, and poor, and I will give you a bed, some food, and some money.
Masses.
And that's all you got to do.
Okay, participation in felony drug court statewide has fallen by more than 40% since simple drug possession and some low-level property crimes became misdemeanors in Oklahoma. So it's like, wow, criminal justice reform does something good for the community. Who would have thought? Who would have known? Well, I'm glad that it's actually going somewhere.
Thanks for watching our video. Please give it a like and hit that subscribe button for more content. If you want to engage with us, follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Twitch, and Instagram.